It's the return of the Mac.
Oh, it's the school. It's the school.
It's literally the school?
Oh, you see him?
Where's it at?
There's a couple of them.
Well, we got choices.
We're gonna have to wear masks though, probably. With all these people.
Okay. Wait, there's a bunch of them. Yeah, Nikki gonna be salty. Alright. Well. He was not trying to flip for me. Alright, well, it's another edition of Food Truck Friday. And we got your host, of course, Kenny. We got Travis. And we got Jaleel in the back. There's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different ones.
5.
5 of them, my fault. I didn't see that 5th one. My hair's a mess. Put this on. My hair's a mess right now. Who twerks?
Hey, Kenny, you just dropped your keys, bro.
That's why my keys keep falling. I keep dropping them.
You scared to have your keys.
Gotta stretch real quick.
Here, I know you ain't got one.
I don't.
We've been living like this for 9 months now. Kenny can't remember to bring a fucking mask. You got that one upside down too.
It's fine.
I just want to let
I just need to cover my mouth. That's all I need to do. Oh, I did bring one.
Oh, look at you, son.
Yeah. Just because I knew he was going to talk that shit. And I forgot I did it. Here, take it back. Take it back, bitch. Yeah.
Anybody say anything? I'm gonna slide the shit out.
I'm
hungry.
I'm starving. Got my wallet on me.
Where we going? We got, I don't know yet. You got taquitos here.
Okay, so we got, taquitos, Kona Ice, pita abilities,
Ooh,
BBQ. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't want barbecue. We have barbecue like almost every week.
yeah, for 3-4 weeks straight.
Yeah, that's why I don't want it. And then what is that?
It looked good though.
Oh, it's funnel cakes. I'm gonna give me some funnel cakes. Deep fried Oreos. Well, this is a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Are you guys ordering?
We are, but we don't know.
That's all. Okay. I'm sitting there like, lines on the other side. Roof's looking. This smells great on this side.
We really do.
Let's see what's at the barbecue one though. That must smell good. It smelled good. Okay. Hello there. St. Louis cut ribs. Barbecue tacos. Sandwich got pulled pork, brisket sandwiches, barbecue sundaes. Mac and cheese, zesty baked beans, German style coke. This nigga snap.
Baked beans, like,
I want some baked beans. We'll keep looking. I'm gonna keep looking. That sound good though. It's Smitty's barbecue. I wanted to go here too. That's one.
These places were on the.
Yeah, like they were on.
I didn't realize they was all together. Well, this place and the Kona Ice wasn't.
I didn't see this one. Yeah, this is the
I'll get me some.
Funnel Frenzy. I like that name.
I'm not a big funnel cake that much.
Strawberry Works. So they got funnel cakes. I'm wearing all black too. We're going. I'm about to say, I know it's gonna get all over me. I'll be making a mess with them funnel cakes. Deep fried Oreos. Ooh. All right, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back to this. Ooh. I love me some funnel cakes now. That smell good, and she was cute too. Yeah, she was thick. I can tell.
RKO.
It's RKO. Okay, so classic pita. Oh, I can get. Okay,
What's a falafel?
I don't know what a falafel is.
What's shawarma?
I don't know what shawarma is
You know
either.
what falafel is? It's like a meatball, but healthy.
A meatball but healthy. I don't want that then.
Give me diabetes.
Yeah, I want all the diabetes, high blood pressure. I want it all.
What are you trying to do?
I'm going to each one.
Good.
Doing good. This is a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting this many food trucks to be here, and they're kind of.
What's that shirt all about?
It's somebody's shirt. Somebody's.
Not his, though.
Yeah, somebody's promoting their little place. Like my pork pulled and my my belly rub, something like that. Oh, they got hummus. I feel like you like hummus, Travis.
I've never had it.
Hummus is nice. I had Mickey introduced me to that.
I can
Who?
tell. You picky?
It's fuck.
Man.
He said he'll eat anything. He said no, that's the exact opposite.
Stomach, he was ready to get down.
Okay, I saw that Philly steak. I was like, hold on now. Hold on now.
Okay, we still looking. We still.
We definitely coming back.
Yeah.
I got mine on that Philly steak.
So, are you thinking? You thinking about pitabilities?
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
What time is this game?
It's so late.
Yeah, that threw me off. Taquito trucks. Taquito. Three street taquitos. Are you talking about the Picasso? That's your David. We got the guac and cheese, el famoso, quesadillas, chorizo, churros, burrito, queso cheese. We got el Julio, Lara, barbacoa, chorizo, pastor, canita. All right, let me stop. Yeah, that was awful. That don't look bad though. That don't look bad. But we got one more truck. That's my superhero. That's how I leave as a superhero. That's it. Doing good. I wasn't ready for that. I'm glad the camera was pointing at you when that happened.
What you hate when people do that shit? I had a teacher that used to do that. I was like, all right.
When they need your help, like
If you don't back your ass up,
cone of ice.
that must be Travis Scott's drink.
Dang it, the cactus juice.
What is tiger's blood?
Strawberry and coconut. I was good till you said coconut. I would have
Yeah,
did
I was
strawberry.
You lost me at coconut. You lost me at coconut.
I'm debating. Hey,
Banana daiquiri.
I'm definitely gonna get one of these.
Damn.
are you getting one of these?
Yeah, at some point. I don't know if I'm gonna start to get this.
You might as well. Start
We
on.
might as well start here and work our way this way.
Okay.
Alright, what are we gonna get then?
What is this for?
Actually, no. You should get the food first because the food probably takes a minute to make. You
Like a slushy, like
hear me?
What?
We should get the food first. The food takes long to make.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. I thought
We'll
right
come
back.
back. We'll come back.
So what are you trying to get?
Alright, so-
I don't trust this place because they ain't got the prices on there.
This one?
Yeah, they don't have the prices.
Didn't have the price on it? Okay. Well,
That's all. That's what I was. That's all.
And also we've had Mexican and barbecue.
yeah. We just
I'm
had.
not trying to spend it, but like $24 for like a slab of ribs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I saw that.
Like, 'cause that's how they be doing that shit. Like,
No, it's at $24 for the ribs too.
24.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's at.
I'm not going to.
Yeah, it smelled good, but I was like, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna get pita abilities.
That's what I'm saying. I want to get Peter Biff. I want that good cheese thing. I know that shit's
Look at what is that? They got holiday pies.
That was a fundraiser for the school.
Oh, I'm good on that.
See what the abilities are?
Yep.
Alright, what are we getting?
All right.
I'm getting a Philly cheesesteak.
Where did you see that? Where did you see that over there?
Yeah, it says Philly steak right there in black.
I see it.
Hold on, my man.
Doing good. I'm gonna get. So how much is the $9 for the
Yeah,
classic?
so Loaded, like all the loaded fries, the pita, or the salad are all $9.
That's gonna get the pita, man. It's gonna be
Okay, I'm gonna get the classic pita, but I'm gonna get that with the
Arson?
is it possible? I know it sounds wild. Is it possible to do half and half?
As long as it's not steak.
As long as it's not steak. Okay, that's fine. Can I do half Greek gyro and then a buffalo chicken? I know.
So Greek gyro, buffalo, all in the same pita?
Yeah, I know it sounds wild, but it's like just half of like this. 'Cause I'm gonna cut it in half. We're doing a
Alright,
review.
so you want it like,
Yeah, we're doing a review show, so I want to do as much as possible.
alright, Brian, did you hear that? Alright, I'll explain it to you. What do you want on that, my man? What toppings?
Lettuce and tomato,
Listen to me, and that's
and
it?
then banana peppers on the gyro side.
Alright, I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright,
I know that sounds wild, but
you want me to cut it in half?
yeah. Cut that in half for me. Yeah.
Alright, any fries or anything for you?
Yeah. Let me get the
nah,
yeah, do a combo. The combo comes with a drink.
The drinks are separate.
Oh.
The boilers, the drinks.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought okay. I just assumed it came with a drink.
We'll teach you how to drink.
No, I thought the drink was gonna be on there.
Don't say drink. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. It's not like that.
I don't know if it is like that. Yeah, let me get those shoestring. Yeah, let me get the fries. Get the fries. It's a combo.
So just the funny euro.
Yeah.
Fries.
Yep.
All right. Anything else?
That's it.
All right. It's gonna be 11.
Wait. No. My fault. I'm getting him too.
Let me get a pita with buffalo chicken, and on that, let me get mushrooms.
Oh, we are out of mushrooms.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah,
Mozzarella.
that was number God. Nigga said mushrooms. Yeah.
Lettuce, tomato, and
Mushrooms low key be slapping.
that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Mozzarella, lettuce, tomato.
Yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
And I don't even want fries. I'll eat off this fries.
All right. That's gonna be 20 even, guys. You're like, he's paying.
Yeah, I was like, wait, what? You mean that's what I wanted?
That's it.
Yep. You gotta insert it.
Where's the insert
Right here.
thing?
Right here.
Oh, I'm looking right past it.
Yeah, it's...
I've never done that for one of these.
Alright, so I got the buffalo chicken here. What else do you want on this side?
Lettuce and tomato on the buffalo side.
Did you want sauce on it? White sauce?
What's the white sauce?
It's a vanilla sauce, it's a tzatziki sauce.
On the gyro, yeah. If you can, yeah. Oh, my fault. I ain't got much, but you know, give you a little tip for having to deal with me. If it's the one, yeah, I seen that. I seen that earlier. No, I'll be looking. Little do you know, my eyes are everywhere.
Man, this nigga had a bad day.
Oh. That bug.
And I know it's because of this.
I thought you was pointing at him. I was like, damn, like, he's working hard. Like,
What if he threw out the
I got knives back here, man.
I thought he said he had a bad day. He's pointing at you. I was like, dang, like, what are you doing?
Yeah, what did I do to you, man?
My bad, folks.
That was bad. See, that's my bad.
Yeah, I know what I'm getting now.
Alright, did you want a bag?
Yes. There should be plenty of benches out here, too. Man, that's the point. Oh my God, man. I'm waiting.
You a racist?
I want to fight these with Are we getting funnel cake, too?
Better.
He said you better.
That was good.
Well, I guess I'm getting funnel cake
I
then.
already have one today.
You the winner?
The Peter with a Philly cheesesteak.
You serious about that, right?
Oh, I wasn't playing. You thought
You want grilled onions and mozzarella?
I want everything on it. Everything that comes with it.
Another sauce, lettuce, tomato. We usually have mushrooms, but we ran out today.
You don't need no mushrooms. That's gross.
I like mushrooms.
Mushrooms are good. Thank you.
I like them on my Philly cheesesteak. That shit slaps.
I'm good on that. Are there any benches or seats or anything? I don't want to eat this on the ground.
You can go get the rest of it. You can go somewhere else.
That's it?
Yeah.
You ain't got it. I'm not trying to wait.
I took mine off halfway through. I got tired of wearing it. I'm gonna get some ribs too. I'm not getting that full slab for no $24, but I get like a $5 rib.
Alright, what you are.
Anybody else getting ribs?
I mean, I'm gonna try your ribs.
All right.
You know how it is. I'll look and see what they got. I might want to try something.
Yeah, very much independent.
That's not good. I like Terrence.
No, I know. I was looking. Let me do the. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Can I get the full rack of ribs? Yeah, I know. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but we're gonna split it 3 ways. I'm gonna eat, and then the 2 of the mac and cheeses.
You don't want the mac and cheese?
And then can I get the zesty baked beans?
One day, yeah.
And is this the only drink y'all have is water?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then that's it. That's it. I don't want to do water.
I might come back.
Would you like him to cut your ribs out?
Yes.
Well, yeah. Let's do that. Yeah.
Your ribs, yeah,
Well, what if you open the baked beans and
Yes.
cut. What do you want to say?
Got her doing it too.
It's sassy.
It's zesty. The zesty baked beans.
Trust that. Over the year.
The girl.
Girl, you better eat
Since you open the box up, girl.
a year, period.
Period. Did you get done? Period.
Period.
Can you see this?
All right, we have a rib.
Here, I got this. You do that.
And then we have
Damn, some devilish shit.
back.
This is the devil. This is nothing but the devil. Keep God in your life.
We about to try it.
Listen. Switch it. Keep cooking. Keep God in your life. This is nothing but the devil. I'm just letting you know that right now.
Here you go.
Keep God in your life.
Take your phone back.
Zesty.
Y'all got it.
Let me get them baked beans. Thank you.
That's a
I said thank you.
You gotta sing it. Thank you.
Oh, he was quick with it too. I thought it was gonna be a wait.
Made the shit out them ribs.
Thank you.
Put the money back in
Can you gonna try all of
the
it?
wallet.
Sauce?
Yeah, I want to try all the sauces. The ribs already have sauce on them or no?
No, they're not sauced at all.
Okay, perfect.
Y'all got out of the mouth.
What? Yeah.
Right. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Well, good thing we're done anyway, so.
We need more than 4 total, like 1 cup of each.
Might as well.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
All right, bro, come help me.
All right. We'll be back.
What can I get?
I told them that's nothing but the devil talking. They need to keep God in their life.
So he told you that about the nuclear meltdown?
Yeah. Well, no, I can tell that. I'm not worried about that. All right. Nuclear meltdown's not even the hottest one.
What's the hottest one called?
This one.
The Grim Reaper. So
I was just calling it
the
that.
Grim Reaper has this.
Nothing but the devil. I told you.
I'll try it on camera, just cause, but
Can I also have the brisket nachos? I can't put any more in there.
yeah, you put a lot in there. Like I was gonna really get a lot of it. Like
That shit look good as fuck. I might.
And
the mac and cheese. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I can't put no more sauce in it.
No, that's fine. Just throw it in this one.
I was gonna carry it.
Okay. You put the hottest sauces on top.
That'll do. I got this. I got this.
Okay.
You ain't gotta worry about me.
Okay.
This first thing get the other stuff. I ain't like it. I need a drink.
Yeah, I need a drink too. So you wanna go over to that one dude?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I'm gonna go get cone ice.
Yeah, you gonna get your cone eye?
Yeah, but I need to go drink too. That's not a drink. That's like a.
That's a little dessert. Well, for my dessert, I'm getting the funnel cake. I'm not getting the cone eye.
Well, why don't we get that now while we're open?
Nah.
nah, cause then
Yeah, it's gonna be nasty by the time I get to it. Cause they only last so long.
you gotta remember funnel cake. Listen, funnel cake slap when they like crunchy. When that shit get soggy, that shit nasty. They all say that.
You said what?
They all say that. Not the same.
So does Nikki apparently. Your favorite?
Look how Travis is holding this.
Cause he got them zesty.
That's what I'm saying.
Baked beans got me.
They got him.
Zesty baked beans, like how your baked beans.
I ain't gonna eat none of
He
them.
like the Statue of Freedom, not Liberty.
Yes, bitch.
He the off-brand
What's the
one.
difference between a root beer and a root beer float one?
Root beer float just has the French vanilla flavor over it.
Yeah.
You know what? I want to fuck around with the root beer float.
Yeah, that's the one I was gonna get too.
We get the regular.
Yeah.
I'm feeling.
Do you have like just regular water or something?
Unfortunately, not just the ice.
Okay. I'm
We
thirsty.
just had water at this place. They could have.
No. I mean, just I was wondering if you had drinks other than that.
Yeah, I look good like a Pepsi.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. I'd like a Pepsi. That's what.
I don't want no
Yeah,
Pepsi.
you go see what they got.
See if they got drinks. Okay, we're gonna be right back.
Okay.
You getting the root beer float?
Yeah.
All right. So we got getting the root beer float. You're right. I'm just promoting away too.
I mean, we could just go. Like I said, we could go get a drink somewhere. But then we can't get your. If I can't. What am I supposed to hand that?
Yeah, you hear the song?
That wasp was back.
It's the weekend, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, let's say it's a ding, 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 ding.
I thought I was tripping. I was like, this gotta be the weekend.
I heard it. I was like, what? Ding, 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 ding.
What y'all want to do?
I'm gonna see.
The Pete Abilities had boiling sodas, which are disgusting.
Yeah, those are. I don't really like those. Do you guys have drinks? You guys have drinks?
Carritos are mandarin and lime.
You said you had the mandarin?
Yeah, we have mandarin and lime carritos.
No, I'll take
Yeah, let me go ahead. Let's go ahead and get one.
Sprite or orange.
Yeah, that's Sprite.
So lime. Lime. No.
Oh,
He wants the lime one,
I want an orange.
I want that.
and we'll take 2 oranges.
Mandarins, whatever.
Mandarin.
He said, I want that. I want that.
He said, I want that Sprite.
Anything else?
That's it.
645.
Actually, you know what? Can you throw 3 street taquitos in there? We'll just get one of those for each of us. What kind of meat y'all want? Asada?
You got me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the steak ones for us. So we had 2, I got our own.
Anything else?
That's it.
Would you like me to open your
We over here.
Yes, you open the prawns?
I'm over here trying to find out the drop.
This one had me some. Them Jesse beans.
You're welcome.
You can remove your
Okay.
I did say Sprite. I said what I said.
I thought that's what he said. She said Sprite. I'm like, oh, let me get that Sprite then. I ain't hear him.
Here, I can take this.
All right, well, you want to start trying some of the stuff now?
Yeah, we'll try these jarritos.
That's what it's called?
Jarritos.
Harito.
Okay, we're not.
Okay, wait. All right. We're going to try them out now.
This is good.
It's good. And you know our ranking on the Food Truck Fridays. Thumbs up.
I feel so bad. She looks
Thumb
so
to the,
confused.
wait.
Like,
Yeah, it is thumbs up. Okay, I had it messed up. Thumbs up, thumb to the side, thumbs down, or middle finger. I'm giving it
thumbs up.
thumbs up.
Really dumb.
You sound really dumb.
She said, damn it, school.
No, because I'm trying to, we got too many shows going on, so I'll be
Man,
confused.
we're trying to bash these fries. Look at these fries.
What
Okay.
happened? What you talking about? Hey, look. This shit good, though. You want one?
So go ahead and get you one.
Alright, I'm gonna try this. This is the Arubia Float. Whatever this shit called.
Ugh, it's that flavored ice.
Ice was coochie.
You know what this means? This shit hit.
I think I missed that initial bite.
See that picture of that dude when you start reading it? It's so good, you gotta read it.
Mhm.
Damn.
You be like,
Damn.
what the?
You be
What's in this?
like, oh,
30 milligrams of sodium? Yeah, I could taste it all in there. Ooh, my legs are done, bro. All right. Let me get a fry. I want to try it. Let me get a fry.
Don't get that burnt one. That look good as shit. I'm gonna burn it.
Yeah, I don't want no burnt one.
Okay. Okay,
Well,
fries.
that's
So
good.
It's well seasoned.
That is well seasoned. I was gonna say it was cold, but it was well seasoned. I had a cold ass fry.
It was well seasoned. I'm a fan.
Okay. Well, I don't even want to touch them sauces because I don't know how you got them mixed up.
Well, we're gonna find out.
I'm about to see. Oh, we about to get first bite.
I see it this taste. Oh, shit.
Is it good? It's mid. That's disappointing because I was really looking forward to that.
Yeah, me too. I didn't get the steak one though.
I'm not really like a pita bread kind of person, but
The only reason why I'm not mad at it because it's made different.
it's made
The
differently.
one that we usually get,
Mm-hmm.
so it's not terrible, but it's like, I've had that. I don't usually have water.
I'm gonna see if our tacos are ready because you just hit the 30-minute mark.
Nah, I rate this like.
So it's thumbs to the side for you.
Like, I eat it again if I was like the last thing to eat on the meat.
All right. Ooh,
Yeah,
get
that
up.
was kind of mean.
That was kind of mean.
So it's mid.
I take it back.
Right back.
Look gooder than a motherfucker.
Like a
You said
couple
looks
books or
looks
something.
gooder.
Gooder than a motherfucker. That's not even.
We got everybody here. We got all the food.
Yeah.
Open that one. Open that one. What's in there?
A vamp?
Oh, okay.
A baby vamp? The Gyro?
Oh, that's
Oh, yeah,
your half
Nikki's here too.
girl. Oh yeah, she just got here.
She's here now.
Where's your half buffalo at? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I told him to get half buffalo, half so it's some
Organic luck.
organic luck. Okay.
You got tacos?
Mm-hmm. That's what I said. I was like, all right. I got the green
You
sauce.
said what?
I want some of that lime.
You didn't give me no red
That
sauce,
smells
did you?
good.
Hmm?
You
Is it
didn't
right
give me
there?
no red sauce, did you?
No, I just got the
You
green sauce.
crusty bitch.
For the tacos?
We thought we went a whole episode without being called a crusty bitch. I get called a crusty
For the
bitch.
tacos?
Yeah, I like the red sauce. He a green sauce guy.
You like green sauce?
He like
Here,
green
look
sauce.
at-
I
wow.
like the red sauce on them.
You nasty.
That's
That
what I'm
green sauce
saying. You
fire.
a dirty dog.
We got some red sauce in there. I think.
The fangs?
No, I'm straight. I can eat it.
What?
There ain't no red sauce. Like,
You said the Franks.
I don't know. That's the only red sauce we have, my friend.
You got Franks?
For him, man.
You eat Franks?
I don't like hot sauce.
So why we got
Why
Franks?
do we have Franks then?
You got it for you. I ain't got it.
You got it for me.
I don't like no hot sauce.
Absolutely
Wow.
not.
Them
I
fries
was so
are them
proud
fries
of
are
y'all for a
cold.
minute. Like,
Well, you don't know why we got it.
Alright.
Where it came from.
Why'd you like hot sauce?
I just don't like hot sauce. It's not my thing. That's my black blasphemy. I don't like hot sauce.
Like
Me too.
Yeah, I was trying to grab that one.
You ready?
Yeah, I do want to dig into mac and cheese though.
All right, y'all gonna have to take
We
my
all
fork and
just
put it over
sharing.
there. Yeah, you ever seen this show before? we eat together.
I feel
Eat
bad
like a
for you
family.
eating off your plate. Oh, let me just do.
It's okay.
Damn, I just don't
It's
know.
mid.
You said mid?
Yeah, it's pretty mid. It's not like I'm
That
not
mac and
happy
cheese-
about
that
it.
mac and cheese is weak.
Yeah, I'm not happy about it.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm going thumbs down.
Yeah, it's all mush.
Yeah.
I feel like we waited too long.
There's no
That's what it
flavor.
was?
There's
That
no
might have been
seasoning.
that.
though.
No,
You're right.
but off the bone, that mac and cheese.
Yeah, you know about that. Yeah, I took some home to it. Like, yep.
Fries real quick.
Yeah, I'm not fucking with mac and cheese. Low-key. Let me just like slap it on.
Let me get a little bit of
These
baked
fries
beans
are
though.
cold, but
Oh, he about to turn gay, y'all, because it's called Zesty.
This is the zesty barbecue, zesty.
He about to be like,
baked beans.
ooh, my yeah, that's so good. I'm gonna let you go first this time.
We all got to try this.
I'm not trying no baked beans. I didn't told
Yeah,
you
he
that.
don't like baked beans. You getting some?
I'm a pussy.
Yeah, that's what you. Y'all all about to be a little zesty here in a second.
Hey, that baked beans good.
Nah, them bitches is hitting. Now that is how you make some baked
That's
beans.
some good baked beans. You don't like anything?
Kenny about to be like
Alright.
splash.
Them baked beans good. They got a little like
Kick to it.
cooked to it. Got a little piece of meat in there.
All right, you ready to try this right here? That's one.
Yeah, that mac and cheese ain't hitting like
You
that.
tried it again.
You gotta give it a second try.
Maybe
Everyone.
if you try like the crust part. Look, you get like the crusty part. That's usually good.
You try that.
All right, I'm trying mine. Fuck it.
No, yeah, it's not.
I got too
I'm
much
gonna
mush.
do it with the baked beans.
Yeah, no, that's not where it's at.
Yeah, no.
Get one of these ribs. Go ahead, everybody, grab your rib. What do you think of that, Travis?
Fire.
Fire. Okay, so
The rib?
baked beans, I'm going thumbs up.
This I'm going.
Thumbs up for sure. Travis, you supposed to try one. Supposed to try some baked beans, man.
I don't.
If I gotta try this Grim Reaper sauce, bitch, you gonna try some baked beans.
All right, give me my fork.
Which
Where's my
one's a Grim Reaper?
fork? Pass me the.
Oh no.
Give it here. Give it here. I'll tell you which one's which.
We finna die, bro.
Yeah, because I already know which one's which.
Nope, this shit's gross. Thank you.
Okay, so without the barbecue sauce, we're trying it.
Out. Okay, I already did.
It's a good healthy rib.
Oh, we gotta try it. Okay, I got sauce all over my
This is
hands.
a good healthy rib.
Good healthy rib right there.
Damn, it's sliding right off the bone.
Are these hot? Are these ones over here?
They're all. There's two of each. So you've got one of each over there. I've got one of each over here.
Nigga, playing with me, man. Like,
Are they both spicy?
There's
no,
mild.
three of them are spicy.
No, there's mild, spicy, nuclear meltdown,
Oh no.
and Grim Reaper.
Oh no.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, So we gotta make
This
sure we
one-
find the
this
right
one is
one.
definitely mild.
That's what it's
Okay,
missing.
I'll try the
Seasoning.
mild with you.
Is it missing seasoning?
Whatever you season mac and cheese with, they didn't season it with it.
Yeah.
I'm getting this juice out of my way. So this is mild. That's spicy.
Which one's mild?
This one isn't spicy, whatever this is.
I'm about to use this right quick.
I think it's either it has like a little bit of a kick. It has a little bit of a kick to it, but it's not like.
See, barbecue
Hold on,
sauce,
Nikki, before you do
barbecue
it.
sauce is cool when it just has a small kick.
It's
to it.
either this one or this one's mild. So you.
This looks like mild compared.
Yeah, I would say this looks too dark to be mild.
Yeah.
There's no like peppers in it, so I'm just giving you.
Yeah. That one got a major kick to it.
Can you pour some of that juice in my cup for me?
Yeah, sure.
I know it's double cup, but
Just
Yeah, he's sipping on that.
since
good
you're at my house, I'll pour you some juice.
Let me help you.
nah, my hands are disgusting. That's why I was like, I need somebody else to grab it.
I'm over here trying to. I gotta divvy up the sauces and figure out what's what for you juice. I can't fucking eat. All right, so I'm gonna try it without.
What is that?
Nah. That was just me just plain rib. So that's that for plain rib.
Oh,
You said this one's mild. You
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
So whatever I have over here is supposed to be spicy, I guess.
Right, because
Bro,
that's it.
I told
still
you.
in my mouth.
You have one mild, one spicy, one Grim Reaper, and one nuclear meltdown. They're all in there.
Oh, they're all over here.
You just
Okay.
gotta
You just gotta figure out which one's which.
Okay.
Whatever one I
Shut
got.
off.
So one of them.
What did you give me, bro?
I don't know.
I feel that shit still.
I ain't trying to eat that one. Did
Alright,
you
that-
put a lot on
the-
it?
the-
Oh.
Bro. the mild was good. The mild was good.
Ooh, you
Alright, I'm
got
gonna try
all
this
in
one
your
now.
beard.
This is the spice. That's
You taste
spicy.
This one?
I think this one's the.
What is
nuclear
this one?
meltdown.
Oh. Let me know on that one.
But I still feel this shit, bro.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's a little spicy, but it's not.
Alright, we good.
It's not that crazy.
Okay.
That was terrible idea with the mac and cheese.
Yep, that's spicy enough for me. I'm done.
Yeah, you gonna feel it. Whatever
All right.
that is, you gonna keep feeling
No,
it.
this is the one that I
I
skipped.
ain't going nowhere.
I'm positive that's the death.
I'm telling you, y'all gotta do the hot challenge.
Oh, I want to do the one chip challenge for.
I want to do
We'll
it
try
just to do it.
Yep. I'm gonna need one more napkin.
Vibrating and shit.
You go right ahead. Ooh, that burp was spicy though.
This one's not as spicy as this one.
Whatever I just had, I handled it good. I handled
Not
it well.
as spicy.
I got all kind of.
Okay.
You look. I got kind of sauce on my beard. I don't know if you see it. Look at
So
it.
I don't know which sauce is which, but I'm trying them all.
No, I already tried them all
And
too.
also, Nikki's over here being a brave little soldier. She's trying them all with me.
I did already try that one.
You did? Was it super
It's
spicy?
hot. My mouth is still
Okay.
on fire from it.
Let's go.
That's the one I had then, cause my mouth still kind of tingles.
Yeah, it's that one.
Like I don't think I can feel my.
Look at this. I
tongue
got.
right now.
Okay.
My face is warm.
I can't feel my
Okay.
tongue. Cause
So-
it's because I had a lot of it. I can't feel my
The ribs
tongue.
are good. Who's the fire?
You like that one?
It's good, but it is spicy.
Yeah,
You
give
know
it a
how
second.
how bad it is for me to say when something's spicy. No, I know it's.
Give it a second to sit in. It's gonna fuck with you. Watch.
It really. My eyes are starting to water a little bit. Like it's
You
getting
know
me.
what I was gonna do? Like, woo, that had a kick to it.
Okay. What else do we have left to try? I gotta try my pita.
You try to talk first.
Yep.
I need to try some of these fucking.
Tacos.
There's your taco.
Look, they're so little.
Mm-hmm.
They're taquitos.
Taquitos. Tacos. Shit.
Okay, just dump all my shit out.
All the good stuff.
Them is hot, bro. I feel my throat. Plus, I had each one of them. I'm like, my mouth is hot.
The only one that was ridiculous was the last one.
Good motherfucking taco.
What is good?
Can I get a napkin from me though?
It's that authentic type.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get you some of this taco.
Go ahead.
Okay, well. I had some of mine. It was good.
I was good. I like that one. You nasty as shit.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
That mac and cheese was nice.
Actually, I do want to bite. I just want to try a bite of your taco, just so I can see how good it is or awful.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You put lime on yours? You put your lime on yours?
No, I didn't do anything on there yet. But yeah, I do put lime and a green sauce on mine.
You like that lime?
Mm-hmm. The lime was fire.
Yeah.
Let me add too much.
Mm-hmm.
That was good. Ew. I'm mad I caught that.
Man, bro. Hey, hit me up, ladies. I'm single.
I get by my pitas real quick.
I'll buy you a Birkin bag.
Better
You
not.
said you buy a Birkin?
Buy me a
But in
Birkin
like
bag.
10 years, though. Not on the first date.
Better not.
I never buy nobody no damn Birkin bag.
Wow. My mouth was on fire from that one. It wasn't even bad until I went to burp. But then I was like, woo! It must came up.
You better than me because it was bad from the moment.
I want to
put it
do
in
a
my
hot
mouth.
wing challenge.
Oh, this is my buffalo.
We went for we try it. We're gonna go and we're planning to go to B Dubs and try all their new wing sauces. So they've got like 5 new ones.
I'm gonna die.
You gonna die!
Make sure I'm there. I want to try it. I just want to die one good time. I need. It's on my bucket list to try really, really hot. Something really, really hot just to get it over with.
Oh, no.
What's good? It's not like great.
I mean, this sauce is up there.
Which one?
What? Listen, this what I
Yeah,
don't
'cause I
know.
like
When I
spicy
first
food.
had it,
Like
when I
spicy
first
ones,
took a bite
okay.
out of it, it was cool. It was a couple, like it was like maybe 30 seconds into it. My tongue started feeling weird. Better take your drink now.
I am. I'm like, where's my gyro?
Right here.
All
I'm
right,
using it as a plate.
my gyro. Just say it correctly. All
Why
right.
do people get mad when you say gyro?
I don't know. But I said, you know, niggas be on here like, no, I should pronounce it. Blah, 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 blah.
All right, calm down, Bill Cosby.
That's how they be sounding. All right, take this one last bite.
Did we even rank everything?
I gave everything a thumbs up, but the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese was thumbs down.
Yeah, I gave everything a thumbs up except for the mac and cheese and the zesty beans, because fuck them. And I ain't gonna lie, this sauce, the death, whatever, what was it, Grim Reaper?
Mm-hmm.
It's too spicy to be good. Like, I could eat it, but like I like spicy food. But like for a normal person, like you're not gonna want it.
You think
So
spicy?
overall, it was good.
If I have to, I might make a round trip back over there and give you like 2 of those bitches.
I think the
get these
best.
at the dollar store.
I'm good on those. I think, but I mean, it was good. I think, like I said,
I've
I gave
never
everything a
had them
thumbs up.
before, but I've seen them like Dollar Tree, not even like.
She's like, do you want me to open them for you? I'm like, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Fun ass. Hit
All right.
me up. Ow.
Yeah, but I think everything was good. So, Nikki, what do you
It was alright.
like? Give everything a thumbs to the side?
Side, yeah.
Okay. Nikki's a harsher critic than me.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say mac and cheese was terrible.
Yeah.
The ribs it was alright.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. Not to interrupt you, but this barbecue place is the worst barbecue place we've been to.
Yes.
Yes.
No, RHL.
No, I've had worse. Actually. You're right.
I mean, I'm on camera, but you're right. RHL Sports.
This out of. Don't ask what I was doing.
What do you want me to say?
I'm sure what do you want now. Move back.
Well, I got nothing else to say.
Okay. Well,
Jaleel was saying something.
yeah. Go ahead. Finish your thought.
I said the mac and cheese was terrible. The ribs was
They were mid.
they were edible, but yeah, that was mid, like he said.
They want really good season.
Them tacos
Yeah.
hit like something vicious.
The
Baked
tacos was
beans,
alright.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I make
them
better
baked
ribs
beans, man. Them baked beans, man.
Baked beans was the best thing they had on there.
of the whole. You
Oh, and then my lime, Jarito, how you say it, Jarito?
Jarito.
That shit was